In the industry, like in the Bollywood, yes, I really look up to Deepika Padukone. She is my favorite actress, and I am fond of Sanjay Leela Bhansali movies. In fact, I did Ghumar as a Dancers of World. Oh, actor. Obviously Ranveer Singh.
Very big congratulations.
Thank you.
You know, you have really made us proud. So, starting up from when and how did this started? Like, how did this journey started? Tell us about it.
I think it was about 2 years ago when I actually found out about Beauty with a Purpose project at Miss World. And I think that was the start where I realized that this is a platform maybe where I can take my cause and start working upon it. I just needed a platform where I can voice my opinions and share my thoughts about the work that I wanted to do and the change I wanted to bring. And I think that was just the start, and then there's no stopping. Today I have my ongoing project, which is actually giving empowerment, financial independence to 35 women in my village, and it's doing a lot more, and we are actually working on it to extend it more further. So yes, in 2 years a lot has changed. I've received a platform, I've spoken about it, and I myself as an individual has developed and evolved as a person. I think the growth that I have seen in myself and in my community and in the society is result of what I have been doing for the past 2 years, and it's all thanks to the platform that I've got from Miss India and from Miss World.
But throughout this journey, how much did you got your family support?
I feel I am the luckiest girl on this earth because of the supportive parents I have. I know that the background I come from, it was little difficult for them to accept the fact that I wanted to do something into this industry. But yes, they understood the importance of it. They understood my idea, my intentions behind it, and they knew that I can do it. So I think I just feel lucky enough to have them because they never really forced me to do something which I didn't want it to do, and now they are with me, and I think we have already seen a change and the result is sitting right in front of you.
Okay, so you know, we went on to your social media page and we found a very sweet message and very sweet post. You did it for, like, you posted for a winner, you know. Is something like, were you good friends?
Yes, we actually shared a good bond at Miss World. I was very close to Miss Jamaica, and Tony and I were having great moments at Miss World because we were very close to each other. We could connect with each other, we could share our life stories, our cause, and at the same time we were able to understand each other, and that was the most important thing because both of us, we were from different countries at a different place for the first time, and everything was like there was so much happening around us, and we were just needed support, family kind of support where you feel relaxed, where you feel relieved, and you feel that, oh yes, this is the person with which you can share anything and everything, because that was the moment where I needed someone to share my feelings with. And I think we could relate on some things, and that was the best part of Miss World, because I could meet her, such a beautiful soul. I think that was the best thing I could actually have got from Miss World, and I'm so happy. Like, I was so happy because she was crowned because I know her personally. I know how incredible she is, and I know what all she has to offer to the world, and I just wish her all the love and success in the future, and I know she's going to do really well as Miss World.
Besides this, you know, how has life, like, right now changed? How are people reacting? How are your family reacting?
Yeah.
How is the new life?
So everything right now is in a rush, I feel, because I didn't realize how these days passed. Like, I was there for 25 days and it just went. 25 days is not a small thing. It was almost a month, but still I feel that it was too quick. And towards the end, I didn't want it to get over because I was so attached to everyone over there, and I just felt like, can we extend the days more? Can we do the finale and live there for a few more days and have the same schedule, same routine, same rehearsals, and just continue doing what we were doing? But yes, after the finale, I've received a lot of love from my country, from my family, and all over the world, to be honest, because now I was known worldwide, not just in India. And everyone knew about the cause, everyone wanted to be a part of it and help me to take it forward. Yes, everything is changing and everything is so overwhelming right now for me, but for your information, I've just come today. So today is my first day and I have so much to see in future. I'm just excited for my journey ahead.
Okay, so what's next, and tell me like how difficult it was for you know, come.
Such a long way. To be honest, because I come from a very simple background and I have not really had any connections in this, and no one was there to actually help me or guide me into this field. But yes, I have seen that irrespective of the fact that no one was there at the initial stage, I was able to do it. So I know that if you have a cause in your life, if you have your dreams and you really want to work towards it, there you will find a way. There will be a way always. Yes, nothing is easy, nothing comes easy. The ways are really difficult, but you have to always believe in yourself. You have to believe on the abilities that you have. You have to believe that yes, you can do it and there's no stopping.
So, are you going to continue it with your studies? Are you going to
Yes. So I am, because I'm back and I'm going to continue with everything. So even before coming to Miss India, I was doing my modeling projects at the same time I was studying. So I already know how to balance my studies with the modeling, because I earn through modeling, and I am studying my chartered accountancy and at the final stage. So I don't want to stop it doing. But yes, I'm going to continue because I already know how to handle it. It's just that there was a break of 9 months, but I can do it. I know I will be back on track.
Okay, so what's your thought on getting into an acting field?
Oh, like I knew this. I already know this question is about to come, and yes, I've always been. I was always open to all the opportunities, whatever comes my way, because I want to be an achiever. I want to do anything and everything that is possible for me and is achievable. So obviously, if there are opportunities like this, I would love to explore it. I would love to have it, because it's not easy and not everyone gets it. So I would love to have it. Oh, I really appreciate in the industry, like in the Bollywood yes, I really look up to Deepika Padukone. She is my favorite actress. I'm also fond of Priyanka Chopra, and I am fond of Sanjay Leela Bhansali movies. In fact, I did Ghumar as a Dancers of World. I represented India by performing that song. So you can imagine how big fan I am. So would love to. I'm actually looking forward to work with him, but before that, I think I need to prepare myself. Oh, actor. So obviously Ranveer Singh. Yes.
Okay, so if you would like to tell something
To the audience, I just want to say that you all have witnessed my journey and you all know where I came from and where I am right now. So you can see my journey and imagine that there is always a way and you can do whatever you want to. So if you consider me as a life example of an unstoppable woman who really wanted to see the change and is now seeing a change, you just have to understand one thing, that just believe in yourself and there is always a way. Just go find out your way, find out the solutions to the problems rather than thinking about the reasons of not doing it. So just go and do it. You can do it, trust me.
Thank you so much and all the best.
Thank you so much. Thank you.